going to replace the starter relay, which is in the fuse box. It was $15 on Amazon for a pair of them. We were out on the green spark and it completely died. I got no response from it. So I wanted to try the easy things first, which is batteries and fuses. As you can see in here, there is the battery and there is the fuse box. Fuse box, you pinch these two tabs together and pull up, pops right off. There's your fuses you can check, and here is the starter relay. You can get a pair of starter relays on Amazon for $15, and there's spare fuses right in the lid of the box.